Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video we're going to explore how AWS helps you automate your infrastructure with CloudFormation and how you can connect and scale your applications using SQS, SNS, and Kinesis. So first off, why CloudFormation? So imagine you're needing to create dozens of AWS resources such as EC2 instances, S3 buckets, security groups, and all of them perfectly configured. Instead of clicking through the console, CloudFormation will allow you to describe your entire infrastructure in code. You declare what you want, and AWS will build it automatically, reliable, and in the correct order. So let's go over some benefits of CloudFormation. So CloudFormation gives you infrastructure as code, as mentioned in the first slide, meaning every resource is version controlled and reviewable. It improves cost visibility since each stack is tagged for tracking, and it boosts productivity, allowing developers to destroy and recreate environments on the fly, great for testing or dev setups that rebuild daily. Let's go over how it works. So CloudFormation templates are written in YAML or JSON, uploaded to S3, and then referenced by your CloudFormation stacks. Deleting a stack will remove every resource it created, while updating it reprovisions infrastructure safely and consistently. Some template structure. So a template includes several sections such as resources, which is what AWS builds like EC2 or S3. Parameters are customizable inputs for flexibility, and then mappings and conditions, which is logic for the environment or region differences. We also have outputs, which are values that can be reused in other stacks, such as VPC or subnet IDs. Now for updates and rollbacks. So if something fails during deployment, CloudFormation rolls back to the last stable version. You can even disable rollback for troubleshooting or continue an interrupted update later. It's designed to keep infrastructure consistent and recoverable. Next, we got service roles and policies. CloudFormation uses IAM service roles to create or modify resources on your behalf, ideal for enforcing least privilege access. You can also use stack policies and termination protection to prevent accidental changes or deletions of critical resources. Custom resources and stack sets. So for resources not yet supported by CloudFormation, you can use custom resources powered by AWS Lambda functions. And with stack sets, you can deploy stacks across multiple accounts and regions in one operation. This is perfect for enterprise setups. Okay, so now that we have our infrastructure automated, let's see how AWS helps applications communicate efficiently and scale with SQS, SNS, and Kinesis. So some messaging patterns. There's two main types. Synchronous, where apps will talk directly, as we see here. It's a direct line between your sender and receiver. It's great for quick requests, but not scalable. And then we have asynchronous, where messages are sent to a queue, as seen here, or topics, allowing systems to decouple and handle traffic spikes gracefully. And we have SQS, or the simple queue service. So SQS provides a fully managed message queue that lets one part of your app send messages and another consume them later. It's great for decoupling workloads, and you can choose between standard queues for high throughput or FIFO queues, first in, first out, for ordered and exactly once delivery. And we have SNS, simple notification service. This is for publishing message to multiple subscribers at once. Pub sub model is what we call it, publish subscribe. So when an event happens, SNS sends notifications to all of the subscribers of that event, whether that's SQS queues, Lambda functions, or email endpoints. This enables fan-out architecture where one event triggers many actions. And we have Kinesis data streams. So Kinesis handles real-time data streaming, which is ideal for analytics, dashboards, or live event processing. Producers send continuous data streams, and consumers can process them in near real time. It's the backbone for AWS real-time data pipelines and integrates with services such as S3, Redshift, and OpenSearch. Now we're going to go over when do you use each service. So the quick rule of thumb here is SQS is to queue and process messages later. You'd use SNS to broadcast notifications to multiple endpoints, and you would use Kinesis when you need real-time streaming analytics with replay capability. Quick recap, CloudFormation automates how your AWS environment is built and maintained, while SQS, SNS, and Kinesis handle how your applications communicate. Together, they make your cloud automated, scalable, and resilient. Check back in for the next video. Thanks for watching.